Right now we're here in the beautiful, beautiful Williamsfield, Manchester. We're here with Creative Welding himself, the big man, Mr. Adrian Lewison. We're gonna showcase a few of his products, so stay tuned. Alright, so we're on the roadside, people. So you're going to hear a lot of road noise because the vehicles are driving by. So don't mind that. We are doing things just the same.
Just the same.
Mr. Lewison, tell us a little bit more about what's happening here.
Alright, thank you everyone. This is Creative Welding Innovations. And I've come up with this idea from 2017, and from then until now, I've never stopped. Alright, this is a double shelf jerk grill. The leg can be folded up. It carries a drawer over this side here. So you put the coal into this. This is the top shelf, can also come out, right? So after you jerk down here, then you can put the food up here to warm. This is basically a warmer. And if you're traveling with this jerk grill, it can come off and stand like that, right? And the leg can be folded like this. I do that because it is more convenient for transport. So I make it transportable. Thank you.
Alright, so the name of the business is Creative Welding Innovations, right?
Yeah.
How did you come up with that name?
When I think of my lines of work, right, which is creative, and you know I'm a welder, yeah,
Right.
welding,
Okay.
innovation,
Okay.
you know what I mean?
I see.
Yeah, so when you
Alright.
put those together,
Yeah.
you get Creative Welding Innovations.
So what kind of products you make here? I see the jerk pans, but what else do you do?
I do a wide variety of stuff. We make garbage bin, alright? We make jerk pan of all different sizes. We make flower stand. We make flower spots. Yeah. What else I do here? I make verna chairs. I used to make gates, like custom size. Yeah.
Okay.
And clothesline, stuff like that. Stove stand. Yeah. Once it's about metal, you can come here and get it.
Alright,
You know what
so
I mean? But it's just that I put more in the jerk grill because I have more demand in jerk grill.
so you see people, you have to be wise in business, you know. So you have to know what the people want and you have to give them what they want.
Give them
Right? So if you see that the grill, even though you can't do it, if you see that the demand is going in a particular direction, that's where you need to go as a
Yes,
business
man.
person. Alright? You know our thing is JSH rabbits, and we're big on the jerk rabbit. So right now we have to support the thing and get a jerk pan for yourself. Right?
Yeah, love that.
Alright, so Mr. Lewison,
Yeah.
I realized that your jerk pan them neat, right? One of the neatest set of jerk pan I've seen anywhere. And we want to know, how did you develop this talent? Where you get your training?
Done well in high school, leave high school. Went to Archers, I studied building technology. Leave Archers, I got a broken leg, so I didn't bother with the construction field. I bought a welding plant because I already knew about welding from high school days. So I bought a welding plant and started a freelance. Cut cylinders, trying to get my own craft, trying to be creative. So that's how I come up with doing jerk grills, and by doing it, I realized I found a passion for it. And people keep coming, telling me not to stop, keep going, so I keep going, you know what I mean? And until when I do it, I be more better.
Yeah.
I come better and better. You know what I mean? And that's how you come to say my jerk reel is one of the neatest.
Yeah, man, definitely.
You understand?
Definitely.
So
definitely.
I take pride in whatever I do, and I do it to my best of my ability.
Alright.
Yeah.
Cool. That's good. So tell me something now. Where did you grow up? Did you grow up around here?
No.
Where are you from originally?
I grew up in Kendall district, Mandeville, Manchester.
For those who don't know, we're in Williamsfield and Kendall is just up the road from there. Alright.
Yeah. Leave Kendall, I migrated I moved to Mandeville. I moved to Mandeville where I used to live on Ward Avenue. Lived there. Went on Brumilla Road, and that's where I bought my welding plant. And I started from there. Then I moved from here.
And the rest is history, as they say.
If you want to reach me, my contact is 347-8370, or you come down by Williamsfield, Mandeville, Manchester. I'm right here.
Alright.
Thank
So
you.
Mr. Lewison is right almost next to the roundabout in Williamsfield. Alright. So we're gonna showcase a few of Mr. Lewison's products so you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about in terms of how good they look and how neat they are and so forth. And of course, we're going to cap our jerk pan ourselves, and then later on you will see us jerking some rabbits. Some crazy rabbits. So Lewison,
yes man, it's a pleasure having you.
big up yourself, man.
Yes man.
Bless up, man. Alright?
Peace out.
Right now, people, as promised, we're gonna take out one of the jerk pan here right now.
This one carry the chopboard at the front. So you bam, 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 bam.
Okay. Question though.
Yeah.
If we have a design in mind, we can tell you the design that we want and you make it as well.
Yes man, I can do that.
So you do custom.
Custom.
Okay. So even though he mostly builds a standard set, he can do custom as well. So if you have any ideas of how you want your jerk grill to look, Mr. Lewison can make it happen for you.
Yes, we do. Here we go, sir.
Right.
Here we go. We have another happy customer supporting creative welding innovations, and I am so delighted to do business with you. Thank you. Yes, ma'am.
I'm satisfied with my purchase, and as I say, we're definitely going to do some serious jerking later on. So, Mr. Lewison, thanks again, brother.
Thank you.
Yeah, man. That's it from us here at JSH Rabbits. We hope you guys found this video interesting and educational. Don't forget to support Mr. Lewison, Creative Welding Innovations, Williamsfield, Manchester. Tell the people how they can contact you again.
You can contact me by 347-8370, WhatsApp or by call.
Alright, so you hear that, people? Another talented Jamaican young man doing his thing. Support the business. Alright, so that's it from us again. Don't forget to like, to share and to subscribe. And of course, see you in the next one.
Thank you.
Myself. Yes.